Hey guys, it's your girl Miss Fluffy, back with another video. For today's video, I'll be making cornmeal porridge. Cornmeal porridge, Jamaican style, okay? If y'all want to see how I make it, stay tuned. Also guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification so you could get every time your girl uploads a new video, okay? If you're new to my channel, or if you just subscribed to my channel, welcome to the fluffiness, okay? If you're only returning back to my channel, welcome back to my channel, okay? Okay, also guys, don't forget to check out my other videos. I have a few videos out there. Go check those out. Check those out. And also don't forget to follow me on my social medias, Instagram and Snapchat. I'll leave everything in the description, okay? Let's get into this video. Without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright guys, so what you're gonna need to make your cornmeal porridge, you're gonna need some cornmeal, of course, and I'm using Dixie Lily yellow cornmeal. You can use whatever you have. That's what I'm working with. You're gonna need a little bit of salt, sugar, and you're gonna need some sweetened condensed milk. To sweeten up that a little bit, you're gonna need some cinnamon and some vanilla. You can add nutmeg egg if you want to, but I don't have any, so I'm just working with what I got today. Let me come over here. I got some water boiling. I got 3 cups. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, just a pinch of salt. Just a pinch to flavor up the pot a little bit. So just bring your water to a boil, then cut your temp down to medium. I'm gonna go in with 1 cup. I'm gonna go in, come on, let's go. Alright. I'm gonna go in with 1 cup of cornmeal. Just mix it around. So, okay, you don't want it to clump up. Well, I want mine to clump up because I like that little clumpiness. I don't really like it too smooth. So I just cut my temp down to low. Guys, it's gonna swell up. It's gonna get thick. You just want to constantly mix it. I swear I sound like a man today. Gotta get my voice right. Let me cut this down some more. Okay, hold up. There you go. Cut your temp down to low. Guys, this does not take long to make at all. I'm also gonna go in with some milk. Give it that nice creaminess. And I'm using my almond milk. You're gonna go in with about 2 cups. I'm just eyeballing this. We're gonna assume that it's 2 cups, okay? So just continue mixing this around town. Mix around town. Guys, you can eat, this is definitely a breakfast staple. I love cornmeal porridge. Ooh, so good. The typical Jamaican way to eat this is with some bread, hard dough bread, or some crackers. That's the way to eat it. So I'm gonna just continue mixing this. Man, ooh, brings back so many memories. So I'm gonna go with my cinnamon. I'm just add a little bit, not too much. And I'm gonna go with my vanilla. You can put as much or as little vanilla as you want to, but I like mine to be a little flavorful. Just mix this around, mix this around, mix this around, Tone. So I'm gonna cut my temperature back on medium. Hey, low and slow is the way to go, because if it starts boiling too much, it's gonna be bubbling and popping everywhere. And you don't want cornmeal all over your stove. Just mix this around, mix this around. I'm gonna add some more milk. If you guys have coconut milk, definitely use that. But I'm just using regular milk. Well, almond milk. That's what I got, so that's what I'm working with. You don't necessarily have to use coconut milk. Alright, that looks good. That looks good. You see them clumps in there? That's how I like it. But if you don't want these, you just constantly got to stir it around. Just constantly whisk it. And I love them. I even like when it's burnt a little bit on the bottom. If y'all know this recipe, you know what I'm talking about. If you like the little burnt on the bottom, let me know. So good. Alright guys, so I'm going to just cover this up and let it cook up a little bit. We're going to add the sugar and the milk last. On the condensed milk, we're going to add that last. So soon come back and yeah. Alrighty, let's take a look inside. See that bubble? Bubble yalla bubble? Yes. Yes. Whoa. See like a volcano erupting? That's what it looks like. Alright, so I'm going to go with 1 big old spoon of sugar. Like I said on all my videos, you can use whatever sugar you want to. But I'm just using brown sugar. Whatever sugar you want to. This is naturally a sweet breakfast, so if you're not into the sweetness, definitely cut back, okay? Definitely cut back. So we're going to go with the sugar, and then we're going to go with the condensed milk. Yeah. So, I'm just letting y'all know to cut back for sure. Alright, so I'm going to just go with my milk. I'll say about half cup of the condensed milk. Just mix that around. Let me zoom in on this some more. Yes. Okay, that looks so much better. You see that nice swirly whiteness? Guys, this whole thing is gonna take you no more than 8 to 10 minutes. Not long at all, okay? So it's pretty much finished. You see them clump there? Yo, that's the best part. Can't wait to dig in. Wow, so good. Right now my temp is on low. Alright guys, so it's pretty much finished. I'm gonna just cover it up and let it just cook up just a little bit more, but that is it. That is pretty much it. Quick and simple. Cornmeal porridge does not take long at all. Okay? Doesn't take long at all. So I'm gonna just pour it in my bowl in a few. And I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Let go. Alright, it's finished guys. It's finished. Just cut my stove off. Yes. Bubble, bubble. Come over here just a little bit. Come over here. Right there. Right there. I'm gonna just pour this in. Yeah, light up on that. Yes. Alright. There you go. There you go. Jamaican cornmeal porridge. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more awesomeness. This is so good. Looks so good. And also don't forget to check out my other videos, guys. I got plenty of videos out there. Check those out. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Let go.